Operating a business through separate departments for product, marketing, and distribution creates friction. We have replaced that fragmented structure with a single, unified engine. This engine collapses those departments into a single, replicable act. Every session generates 4 specific outputs: a transformation for the client, content for marketing, a potential partnership, and protocol data to refine the system. Consolidating these functions removes the need for expensive marketing teams or complex sales funnels. The business scales because the work itself carries the distribution. This is the redesigned Ignition session. It cuts a 2-hour manual process down to a consolidated 75-minute high-impact event. The first 45 minutes require a human element to identify the client's unique traits live. This phase is dedicated to finding the specific wall where the client's gift currently hits a ceiling. The system then takes that data and generates a complete business canvas in 15 minutes. This provides a first draft look at their entire strategy, from target audience to marketing messaging, in real time. Revealing this draft exposes the precision gap. This is the measurable difference between a functional 7 out of 10 first iteration and a 9.5 out of 10 operational reality. Seeing that gap naturally leads the client to the $5,000 build-up sell. This diagram shows the distribution flywheel, which begins with a starting node called the tuning fork. Instead of using generic pain point marketing, you post a true story about the specific archetypes you just helped in a session. While that story generates awareness, you add 30 resonant connections and message specific partners. You never send a direct pitch. You allow the story to attract the interest. Hand raisers book a $555 session to receive their transformation. Each session serves the client while simultaneously generating the data needed to fuel the next cycle. The success from that session becomes the narrative for your next post. This flywheel eliminates the need for paid advertising. The client work intrinsically funds and generates its own lead distribution. This architectural diagram shows how we scale through node licensing. The platform anchors the stack, providing the infrastructure for a radiating layer of protocol nodes. As successful clients use the protocol to serve their own audiences, a 10% sustenance contribution flows back into the system. This contribution is only required once a partner generates actual revenue. The protocol is a gift, but the platform is a business. These two work in symbiosis. The gift creates the demand, and the business funds the infrastructure required to deliver it at scale. We have mapped the long-term architecture. Now we focus on the specific steps required to turn the engine on. Tomorrow requires 3 actions. Post the tuning fork story covering the 5 archetypes, update your profile link, and add 30 resonant connections. Taking this foundational step sets the flywheel into motion. By delivering the first session, you generate the content that makes all future distribution effortless.